So we're looking at solving problems using time. The best way to do that is to use a number line. I think people slip into using column addition, which sometimes works, but sometimes if it goes over 60 minutes, then it doesn't work and you get all confused. So we're going to stick to a number line. There's three types of questions. This first one are counting on. So Chloe goes to school each morning at 8:15. It takes her 25 minutes to cycle there. What time does she arrive? So I've got 8:15. I'm counting on 25. If you can do that, that's fine. But if we need to write that down, we're going to write it down like this. So I start with my 8:15, and I'm going to add on 25 minutes. So I'm going to add on 5 first. That takes me to 8:20, and I'm going to add on the 20. And that takes me to 8:40. So my answer is 8:40. The second one, Barry set off work at 9:35. He travelled for 37 minutes. What time did he arrive? So I've started at 9:35. This time I add on 37 minutes. So I'm going to add my 7 first. That takes me to 9:30, 9:42. Then I've got to add on my 30 minutes. Now if I look at this 30, I can see that when I get to 60 minutes, it moves me to an hour. So I'm going to break my 30 up into a 20 and a 10. So 9:42 add 20 minutes takes me to 9:62, which we know is 10:02 because it's 60 minutes in an hour. And I've got 10:02 and I have my 10 minutes. I've now got 10:12. That's my answer. Final one in this set is Chris set off for school at 7:45. That's when he started. It took him 20 minutes to walk to school and he stopped for 7 minutes to collect his mate Joe. What time did he arrive at school? So I'm going to add on 7:45, add 20, add 7. So if I add on my 20, 7:45, add 20 takes me 7:65. Again, we know there's 60 minutes in an hour, so that's going to take me to 8:05. And then if I add on my 7 minutes, 8:05 add 7 is 8:12. That's when he arrived. The second set of questions is very similar, we're just counting back this time. So Lisa and Brian went to see a film which lasted 2 hours and 12 minutes. The film ended at 23:04. What time did it start? So I'm just following the same pattern, I'm just counting back. So I've got to count back 2 hours and 12 minutes. I'm going to count back, I think I might count back the 2 first, and then I might count back the 10 minutes, and I'm going to count back the 2 hours. So that's my jumps, 2 hours and 12 minutes. So 23:04, take away 2 is 23:02. I've got to take away 10. Again, we know there's 60 minutes in an hour. So that's going to take me to 22:52, because 50 plus 10 would have been 62. And then I can take away my 2 hours, so 22:52, take away 2 hours, will take me to 20:52. So my answer is, when did the film start? It was at 20:52. Tim starts school at 8:05. It takes him 22 minutes to walk there. What time does he need to set off? So I've got 8:50. I'm taking off 22 minutes, so I'm going to take off my 2 minutes first. Then I'm going to take my 20 minutes. 8:50, take away 2 minutes. 50 take away 2 is 8:48. Take away 20 minutes is 8:48, 8:28. So that's my answer, 8:28. And the last set of questions is looking at finding the difference. It'll give you a start time and a finish time. How long does things last for? So the doctor started work at 6, finished at 5:30. How long was he at work? So at the beginning of my number line is going to be the 6. At the end of my number line is going to be the end time. So then we've got to jump on. So I'm going to jump from 6 all the way up to, I think I'm going to go to 12 o'clock. So 6 to 12 p.m. So that'll be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 p.m. So that's 6 hours. From 12, I'm going to go all the way up to 17, or 5 o'clock. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That's another 5 hours. And then from 5 o'clock to 5:30 is 30 minutes. So altogether, poor old doctor, he did 11 hours and 30 minutes. That is a long shift. 11 hours and 30 minutes. The teacher arrives at school at 7:50. She works till 5:45. How long is she at school? 7:50, 5:45. So I'm going to jump this time. I'm going to go to my nearest hour. So I'm going to go to 8 o'clock. So that takes me 10 minutes. From 8 o'clock, I'm going to go up to 12. That'd be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 4 hours. From 12, I'm going to go to 5. That's another 5 hours. And from 5 to 5:45 is 45 minutes. So altogether, I've got 4 hours, 9 hours, 9 hours and 45, 9 hours and 55. 9, oh, let's not write it like that. 9 hours and 55 minutes. There we go. Have a go yourselves.